Now I'm really running late. kind of huge. Isn't it cute? The quality is actually not bad. What is this? Oh, it might be the seat thing.
Yeah.
It kind of leaked a tiny bit.
Oh.
That's okay. It's got a seal on it. Oh, I can already smell it. That smells so much like peach. This will be one of the makeups. I think this will be the, yeah, it's the double-ended stick highlighter contour. It comes in a box and they put it in a package. It's not even that, like, breakable. Contouring and then highlighter. It's actually more pigmented than I thought it would be. Oh, it's the balm, the solid perfume. The ingredient's so cute. This is peach cream. It's smaller than I thought it would be. Ooh, it actually smells good. It's like subtle. Oh, it smells different on my skin.
Like a different or weird different.
Neutral different. The colors are really pretty. Oh, this is the lip tint I got. Which is a bit of a risk getting a lip product from Temu. It looks trustworthy. Look how cute it is! Ooh. Kind of like a moussey formula. Oh, it's actually really nice. This is the thread to do bracelet making with. This was so cheap. Awesome. You can do some bracelet making. Oh! Couples keychain. They've got different hooks on them. Look how cute they are. Track pants. They feel about how I expected. Not too cheap, but like they are thinner than I expected. But that's okay because I do live in a summer climate now. Summer climate? A warmer climate. They're wide leg and they have a drawstring at the bottom, so I can like cinch them in if it wants to work. Might take some adjusting to do that. They're almost like a sporty, athletic material. This top I've been eyeing ages. Oh, it's softer than I thought. It's like an off-the-shoulder, like pseudo singlet underneath top. It seems to be pretty nice. The material's kind of thin, but like really soft.
giving up dividends.